Hey guys, we're back with a new set of amazing tools and gadgets for every woman. All the links to the products you'll find in the description below. And let us know in the comments which gadgets you'd like to see in our next videos. BISSELL SpinWave Hard Floor Expert Pet Robot. 2-tank cleaning system. Powerfully vacuum or actively mop your floors. Lithium-ion battery. Provides up to 130 minutes of runtime on hard floors in low mode and recharges in 4 to 5 hours. Power source. Cordless rechargeable. Powerfully vacuum. In dry cleaning mode, triple action cleaning system utilizes dual spinning edge brushes, a rotating brush roll and powerful suction with up to 1500 PA to clean debris on carpet and hard surfaces. Actively mop. Rotating mop pads scrub and clean floors including wood, tile, linoleum, and other sealed hard floors. Soft surface avoidance sensor. Automatically avoids carpets and area rugs while mopping. Wood floor formula. Specially formulated solution to restore your floor's natural shine. Next, Hanami soap dispenser. Use the latest design freestanding adjustable button, with built-in precise infrared motion and PIR sensor detection technology. The upgraded sensor prolongs the working life of it and is sensitive more so you can get the hands-free soap dispenser quickly. Enjoy healthy life. Adjustable volume. The soap dispenser capacity is 400 milliliters, 13.5 ounces. Variable dispense control soap volume by adjust plus or minus switch to control the liquid volume from 0.5 to 3 milliliters. No dripping or trailing, no waste soap. Compatible with most kinds of liquid. Waterproof and easy use. You don't need to touch the soap dispenser so as to avoiding cross-infection effectively. Designed with waterproof base and rubber seals to prevent the battery compartment from getting soaked in water which causes corrosion and the dispenser fail. In addition, there is no screw for the base, easy to separate it. Next, KitchenGizmo Snap. This is the original snap and strain designed and manufactured by KitchenGizmo. Universal design. The specially designed clips will fit nearly all round pots, pans, and big and small bowls including lipped bowls. Space saving. Small, compact strainer that is easy to use and store in a quarter the size of the traditional colander. Great when working with limited counter space. Next, Magic Bullet Blender. The Magic Bullet chops, mixes, blends, whips, grinds and more. Cups are made out of high-impact plastic. Effortlessly create your favorite meals and snacks like smoothies, omelets, sauces and dips. 250 watts high-torque power base included recipe book gets you started making quick, easy, and delicious dishes from appetizers to desserts. Add 1/2 cup water for smooth blend for vegetables. Next, Kasori Air Fryer Oven Combo. 13 one-touch cooking functions and rapid 360 degrees air circulation to provide crispy results using less oil. The air fryer uses up to 85% less oil than traditional deep frying methods while maintaining the same delicious taste, making it the perfect gift for family members and friends. Large capacity. The air fryer's spacious 5.8-quart square baskets can fit a whole 5-pound chicken. The corner spaces provide more cooking footprint and flexibility than round designs. Cook the perfect amount of food for 3 to 5 people in one go. 13 cooking functions, 11 presets, preheat, and keep warm help you cook meat, veggies, desserts, and more to perfection. Just choose your preset with one easy tap and you're ready to cook. You can also set temperature and cook time for personal recipes.